Teacher Bessie avoids out-of-context drills. Instead, she makes use of real-world problems for her students to solve. This makes Teacher Bessie blank in approach. Would this be letter A, inquiry-based, letter B, constructivist, letter C, developmentally appropriate, or letter D, authentic? What is our choice? Okay, letter D, ang sigaw ng taong bayan, no? Or ang sigaw ng Team Freud, kasi Team Freud na lamang po natitira sa ating live session, okay? So, lahat naman ng approaches dito, po pwede natin gamitin as teachers, okay? Pero, depende po yan sa sitwasyon. Meron tayo sa ating number 11. Sabi kasi, no, iniiwasan ni teacher yung out-of-context drills, na ibig sabihin yung mga hindi relatable sa kanyang estudyante, no? Ginagamit nga yung real-world problems. Yung problema na masosolve ng kanyang mga students at yung maa-apply ng students, no, sa real world. And so, of course, yung tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter D, authentic. Hindi po inquiry. Inquiry is research, no? Constructivist, of course, you allow them to make their own meaning. Gamitin mo prior knowledge ng students, no? At they should create their own meaning. Developmentally appropriate, akma sa kanilang mental capacity, sa kanilang needs, sa kanilang interest, sa kanilang age, okay?